The Hyundai Exter is equipped with 6 airbags, one on the steering boss, your horn boss, one in front of the co-driver side dashboard, one each on the front seat, and one each on the B pillars. So that totals to 6 airbags. Now, an airbag is a passive safety device, and it prevents an injury or even death in the event of a serious collision. Now, how does it work? In simple terms, the car is equipped with 1 or 2 crash sensors, and the crash sensors detect the crash, and in the event of a serious crash, it informs the ACU or the airbag control unit to activate the airbags, and that results in the airbags deflating. And it is done as a controlled explosion, and once your airbag deploys, it deflates in milliseconds, thereby cushioning the passengers in the event of a serious impact, and that is how it prevents a serious injury or death.